Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% and Zinc 1% serum. This is probably like my favorite serum ever. So I'm very excited to do this video, but what I'm going to do is show you like my skin before, and then I'm going to use it for a week, and I'm going to show you my skin every single day, how it compares, and then we'll also compare like the before and after. So we'll do that first, and then I will give you like my thoughts on the product. I'll also show you like the consistency and all of that good stuff, of course, but this is a really good serum and it's so affordable. It's only like $10, I want to say, for the big bottle. I get it from Sephora because I feel like it's a little bit more trustworthy in the sense that you know it's not going to be like expired or fake or anything like that. So yeah. But I love this, and I love that it's at Sephora. It's just like so convenient. And guys, before I start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out and helps the channel grow. I am also selling these cute little Law of Attraction notebooks on my Etsy store, so I'll link that down below. And of course, we have to do a little comment of the week. This is like my favorite thing that I started doing on this channel, so yeah. Comment of the week. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here is the before, and this is what my skin looks like. And I'm going to apply it for the first time this week. And I love the consistency of this serum because it is like a little bit thicker and more viscous, but it really glides on the skin nicely, and it soaks in and it dries down to like a matte finish, but it's not like drying. It's very nice and hydrating. It's also very cooling as well. So here is day 1 versus day 2. Not noticing a huge difference, but I do feel like the skin texture looks a little bit better. And then day 2 to day 3, I feel like my skin looks a little bit more glowy, but not a huge difference. Day 3 to 4, again, I'm seeing more of a glow. Then from day 4 to day 5, I feel like it's very similar, but again, I feel like my skin looks a little bit brighter. Then day 5 to day 6, I actually started breaking out, so not loving that. But here is the before and after. Okay, overall, I feel like this is probably my favorite serum of all time. It's just so basic and it doesn't like irritate your skin at all, but it just makes your skin feel so nice and soft, and it hydrates, helps with your pores and the appearance of your pores, helps with blackheads, helps prevent like fine lines because it hydrates. It's also really helpful for acne and like repairing your skin barrier. I just feel like it does everything that you could possibly want in a serum, and it applies so nicely on the skin as well. And one thing I want to say is, after I filmed all of the demo clips for this serum and after I used it for the week, I started using like my other serums. I just kind of went back to like playing around with my skincare, and I didn't really like think anything of it. And then randomly one day I was like using this. I just like popped this on, and then I popped this Belif Moisture Balm Cream on top, and literally the next day my skin was so dewy and glowy. So like this combo, I literally felt like I looked 5 years younger, and I was like, holy crap, I need to stop like using other serums and just use this, or at least like, you know, have it in my skincare routine like a few days a week at least, because it just works so well for like $6 to $10. I just feel like you can't find anything that's better, and this is just, yeah, it's the best in my opinion. And this cream is really good too. Okay, that's it for today's little video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye!